day 3 of our road trip, and we just woke up in our Airbnb here in Le Havre with the view of the sea, but you can't see the sea that much because it's a bit grayish and then the light from the camera blends it all out. But the sea is in the back, and we will be driving off to Etretat in a little bit. And Etretat is well known for its cliffs, and we want to take a nice little hike there, see the surroundings, have a nice time, and then we'll drive off to Paris. So let's get this day started. We don't have the best weather today, but we are here in Etretat, and as you can see in the back there are the cliffs with the gate and everything, and there's a church up on the mountain on the cliffs. It's really beautiful, and the little village is gorgeous to walk through as well. It is a bit cold, but we are gonna climb that cliff to see the view from up there. So yeah, let's get climbing. The view is spectacular up here. There are so many more cliffs on that side, and on that side you can see the church on the hill there. You can even go inside one of those rocks. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. We're going to go in there as well. It's very windy up here, so I hope you can hear me. And it's starting to rain, and it's a bit cold, but it's worth the climb. So we went into a shop with regional products, and we found the Calvados that I talked about in my day 2 video. We only bought a very small bottle because it's very expensive. If you buy a bigger bottle, you'd pay 25-30 euros at least. And I just want to taste it because it's very strong apparently, but I am curious. I am not going to taste it right here in the shop because I still have to drive to Paris, but I will try it when we get in Paris, and I will take it in my bag and I'll get it out and get back to you on that. But first, let's get on the road, go to Paris. Yay! So we're back in the car on our way to Paris. We just visited Etretat. Well, you've seen that in the video, so no need for me to explain it again. I keep repeating myself, I don't know why. I just like talking, I think. So we're on our way to Paris. It's raining outside, and it will be raining the rest of the day, and tomorrow we'll have a really cold day in Paris as well, but we'll be visiting Versailles, which is supposed to be gorgeous, and it has an inside part, but we hope to get a dry spot so we can visit the gardens in Versailles as well. So we are in Paris. We just booked in our hotel, had a little power nap, I have to admit, and now we're waiting for the subway to take us into the center of the city, and we'll take it from there. So our trip into the city ended with my boyfriend having food poisoning, probably. I will spare you the details. So we're back in the hotel now, and we'll have a quiet evening here, and I hope he recovers so we can get to Versailles tomorrow. I will save the Calvados for tomorrow as well. I'm not feeling up to drinking Calvados because my stomach actually is not feeling that well as well. I hope I'm not getting food poisoning as well. Maybe it was something in the jam that we had this morning, because the lady of the Airbnb, she prepared it herself, but it was really nice. But you never know. At least I got some dinner for myself at the kiosk. Pain au chocolat, chocolate bread, and I got myself some candy as dessert, because why not? They had it on offer at the register. Okay, so this day 3 ends a little bit different than that we expected it to be, but we'll be fine, and see you again tomorrow. Bye. Want to see me stuff more food in my mouth? Subscribe to my channel or watch another stuffer.